Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to create a donut chart in Excel. By definition, a donut chart can be used where you show proportions of a whole. You can use it instead of a pie chart when there are multiple series that relate to a larger sum, like this example wherein we are showing the sales of a year with four series of quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. How do we create a donut chart? Well, we select the data, we go to insert, and in this icon we select donut chart, and the donut chart is ready. From here you can select the various designs that are already there, and you can customize them further by changing the colors, and you can have the various layouts also mentioned over here, right? You can resize your chart. You can go to formatting to add a lot of personalization to it, like shape fills and outlines and effects and text colors. There's a lot you can do. So this is how you create a donut chart in Excel.